Okay, you can probably hear the sizzling in the background. I'm making some hamburger patties. Should I show that too? Let's see here. Yeah, they're cooking right there. Just straight hamburger patties. And when I do that, cook four, put them in the refrigerator, and I can have like one at a time just so they're ready to go. So I don't eat anything too bad for me. Eating a lot of red meat, of course, for some people with cholesterol problems would not be good. For me, I'm not really having a fight with cholesterol right now. I have in the past, so right now my cholesterol is pretty good. But we're going to try this. I'm going to try this. It's called Tropicana Zero Sugar Lemonade. I think this is an 8-ounce serving is what you're supposed to have. Let's look at the things on the back here. So the carbs is my main concern. And as you can see, it's low or no carbs. Now it does maybe have some things I shouldn't have in here. I didn't look at the whole thing. The first ingredient is water. So we kind of know if the first ingredient was lemon, then we know that it might have more calories or that kind of stuff. So this maybe will taste more like a lemon flavored water. I'm not sure, but it is low calorie, 5 calories for an 8-ounce glass. So I'm just going to try this one right here. And here I go. Smells like lemonade. It's good. Yeah, it's good. It's actually pretty sweet for having no artificial sweeteners. It's pretty sweet. Taste. It's not pulping or anything, so it kind of tastes maybe like one of those powdered lemonade type thing, but it's already pre-made and it's a treat. I wouldn't miss it by it all the time, but I have to turn my burgers. Having some lemonade, the Tropicana Zero Sugar Lemonade. This will be part 2 of the lemonade series, I guess. Here we go. Got about 3 ounces right there. So maybe I'll have a little bit more with a burger. Burger, after all the years of working at McDonald's, I'm sure I can flip this one-handed. 4 years at McDonald's as a kid. But, yeah, so the burgers, yeah, I'm doing one-handed. No problem. 1. Come on, go over there. 2. Oh, I didn't even need to really turn yet. 3 and 4. You're not supposed to sear. McDonald's does sear for speed, but you're not supposed to sear your meat. When you're cooking, you should not sear it. I don't know. It does something. It makes it gross. Or not taste good. I don't know. But anyway, they say don't sear it. So, yeah, so I'm going to have a burger patty. Maybe throw a little cheese on top. And maybe have a little mustard. And that'll be it. I might have a low-carb tortilla, but I will not have any bread with that. Have a great day, everyone. I hope you like lemonade, too. Do you like lemonade? Take care.